that match.
Yeah,
it's fine. Probably. We gotta get practice for our team.
You love
You're right.
Yeah, and I don't have enough time.
Yeah. Winners.
Care.
You don't care.
You don't answer my care. Yeah. I don't think everything for fun. They see me too low. I complain about it. Am I out there? That's how it works. And then I'm like, hey, I'm not really good.
And I will. Take
Okay,
well, I'll be there. Maybe.
Let it be known I had zero clue how you lit that up. Let that be known.
I have no clue either. You had rage, a kill stream. Mario's not
No, kill screen off. It kill screen off screen. It didn't even zoom in, and he still lit. That was probably.
I have no idea how Kazuya lived that.
Those fucking GameCube notches probably punched all because you like.
Ooh, the blue
down
Yeti.
and out.
See the match.
Okay.
I don't.
Thank you. Thanks for the first.
Those were
Okay. Well, hello everybody. This is commentator Hannah on the mic right now. We're currently watching ImNotGonna versus Honk. Ooh, and he hits him with that one, but no, not enough. What do I say? Where'd he go?
What's happening?
Okay. So I'm gonna talk about what's happening. Oh, he throws at the top and tries to zone him out with that, but no, it didn't work. Oh, but maybe, nah, because he was able to recover from that. Oh, see, I'm getting confused because I hear the sound from their TV, so I knew that it was gonna kill.
You can predict the future.
That's true.
Impress the
I can
viewers.
impress the viewers. You're so right about that.
in that matchup where like you neutral get like 80.
Let's go, Caleb.
So if I,
That's my president.
That's the president of the United States.
so good at catching it, so good at Mario Slash. But I just went for drag with them.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
It's kind of barrier less
Not sure about this matchup. What do you think, co-star Noah? Oh, okay. I'll be a little fast.
Probably spiking.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh no. Okay, let me go a little farther. My bad. Sorry, viewers, whoever's watching.
Probably just Nash.
Okay.
If I'm not threatening you at ledge,
Wow.
I would frequently, if you did do the label, I'd let you run out of ledge. If I'm not threatening you at ledge, we can.
And
And then it's
they're just throwing all the attack, being very aggressive right now. And my goodness.
Chop up air.
Oh, the laser, but it was successfully blocked.
That full second up air for a conversion on ledge.
What else do I say?
Just talk about what's happening.
But I don't know what any of the moves are called, so.
And you can also do like drop from ledge.
Ooh, good recovery right there. I wonder what they can do. Oh, but the missing the laser, but that's okay because it was really close. Ooh, and the Kazuya laser. It's just a battle of lasers against lasers in this town. Oh, and he hit him with that really strong move.
You and I are
Oh, and the back air. The back air, so strong. Yeah. R.O.B is just one of the best. Did you know, audience, that R.O.B is one of the best in the game?
He should be banned.
He should be banned, and some people even think that he shouldn't even be in the game because he's not even a character from a game, really. But
Yeah, you're right. He shouldn't be in the game.
he shouldn't be in the. Yeah, I'm right. But ooh, good hits and the up. See, that's a classic R.O.B combo right there.
That is a classic rock combo.
Yeah, I learned that from you. Thanks, Noah, co-star. So, oh, and with the top, very good use of those projectiles and things like that. Wow, And the laser. Oh, but that was enough to kill because Kazuya, he's a heavy hitter right there. Oh, I see you're trying again for the smash up into space combo, but unfortunately did not successfully do that. Oh, tried to get him off the edge with the top, but Kazuya comes back with a vengeance.
He always comes back.
He always comes back. Yeah. Oh my gosh. The top. He just won't stop with it.
When Kazuya's glowing like that, he gets like a super move.
Yeah, so Kazuya's about to get his super move, and it gets his special thing.
Yeah,
Whoa! It does a ton of damage, but not enough to kill because, I mean, he wasn't even at the higher percentage anyways. And wow. Again with the tops. Oh, and the laser in the wrong direction, but that's okay because that gives Kazuya an opportunity, yes, to grab and do that. Oh, hit him off the edge once again, but not enough again. Whoa! And that was enough to kill.
That was up smash.
That was up smash. Yeah. So. Oh yes, you know he's doing a special move when it zooms in like that. When he kicks.
I think that's just his regular cross.
Oh really? They always do that? That's crazy. Ooh, with the grab.
Wait, the gyro! Oh my god.
I don't know what that
just
means.
saved him.
Oh, and with the kill with the kick. Good game. Good game. Very close. Well, somewhat close.
How was commentary?
Commentary good. Good. I'm good at it, right?
No. If you learn the moves.
Once I learn the moves, yeah.
If you learn the moves, yeah.
See, I'm following what's going on, right?
You're Mario, you have one of the most privileged back. No.
He needs it.
I did not play PS2.
It's really, really good pressure. Like, approach the fireball into Brawler Bear, down air, you can afterwards. It's not hard stop.
Ooh, same characters. Wait.
Just variation.
No! The Me Brawler?
Me Brawler
Me
with
Brawler?
the little cheesy smile. Insane.
Yeah, you know exactly what he's gonna do. He's gonna cheese him.
Cheese him with
Gonna
his
cheese
cheesy
him.
little smile. Look at that little dude. And his bangs.
Look at that little bastard right there.
He's something, yeah.
He
Wow.
knows what he did.
Yes, I don't even know this guy's moveset because he's got so many different movesets. It could be anything. No one can predict the Me Brawlers or the Me Fighters. And
There's only
with
one
the
way to
kick.
find out. That's just see what moves he uses.
Yep.
He has the bowling ball.
Oh, the bowling ball
That's
is
a good
fun.
move. He has his up special.
Mm-hmm.
Is I think it's called Flupper. He just does like an uppercut slash, and it's really
Yeah.
strong.
It looks pretty strong to me. Both very
And then his
close
down
combat
special
boys.
is like doing a flip kick.
Oh, I see. Very awesome. Ooh, with the kick. And the bowling ball, but not enough because it's kind of hard. I guess it's kind of hard to land that precisely.
Yeah, it's a slow move.
Yeah, very slow.
Ooh.
Ooh!
Ooh!
Oh,
Ooh!
so close, but no, not enough.
So many
Ah.
smash attacks just being whipped.
Yeah, so close.
that's
Oh, yeah. The heavy hit once again. Okay, Kazuya's pretty close
What the-
to. Ooh. Ooh, missing the bowling ball. It's hard. Oh, but
Nice.
with the kick on the
On the
side.
back here.
The back air. Amazing. And here he goes. He's trying. They're trying to get each other, but they just are hardly missing. Oh, but there we go. A good hit. Oh, but not enough. Oh, dang. Punch, punch, punch. Oh,
That's what Me Brawler does.
That's
he does.
Me-
He does like combos off of the platform, then tries to kill you with his up special.
oh, I
That's what this Me
see.
Brawler does.
It's kind of like your Mario.
Yeah, it is. Me Brawler in a lot of ways is just Mario.
Mario with a smile. A beautiful smile. Oh, and that was enough to kill. But that's okay.
Dude, grab ledge. I called Donkey Kong on screen. This is not Donkey Kong.
Ouch.
Gizmo in the studio.
Trying to make it back.
trying, but the bowling balls are getting in the way. I don't really understand why that's even a thing.
What?
It's just so random. Like, what? The ball.
It does a lot of damage.
No, but like, what's that have to do with like me Brawler?
I don't know.
I don't know. Anyways.
Probably like a Wii Sports reference, if anything.
Oh, that's so true. That's kind of funny. Anyways, oh, the grabby grab. Oh, but that's enough to kill.
Ooh,
Yeah.
even game.
Even game. Let's see. It could be anyone's game.
Both these characters might just combo each other to death. Who knows?
Yeah. They're again those punchy type boys. They just keep going. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes, you know how Bowser can like armor through things?
Yeah, because he's a.
Kazuya has like a slightly worse version of that for some reason.
I
Ooh,
see.
that was a good combo.
Yes, good. Again with the balls. Ooh.
Okay,
Kick
making
him.
an approach.
Oh, but it's
my
enough.
God.
Wow.
Intercepting
That was
the
crazy.
recovery.
Okay. This is commentator hand signing off.
Where are you going?
I have to go.
Oh, I'll walk you out then. I'll walk you out.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck, Caleb.
Good luck, bro.
Hey.
I'm going
Did you never read the instructions? Here. Come here. You never know.
I mean, what am I going to use then?
I don't know. Fucking walk on the switch.
Do you use that? What's all?
Maybe it's on the switch.
Does somebody own Push Arm?
Well, you can't take it back. I think it. Yeah, I thought he was trying to do something. You make sure? Yeah, that's what it is. So, well, obviously, if I was to go well, you know, fast stuff. That's good. Yeah. No, well, we obviously have to go on to this. So, this is shield, this is Xbox X is a big mic. Change it to come on model. I don't think other men. Yeah, we should have most people.
Fucking auto turn our character can't turn.
You're carrying! But also what I do, I have this one as a fire before the roll. So that's maybe something you can actually do in the modifier. It could be kind of with like those both. This is what I mean by. That makes me money low. doesn't work with you. Yeah, oh, it doesn't work with you.
No smash fill, no F. And a palace.
Yeah.
Huh? Slow the rock.
Stop battle! R.O.B! Kazuya!
Not too much. It's my tertiary. Kitty fool. If you're right. But let me have this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Just bracket it from like.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, Bible favorites and everything.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Why did I need it?
Dead.
I will.